for me.
Should be like Benjamin Button.
Got some ones.
Benjamin Carla. Carla Button?
He has such a great
You
smile.
don't have to do it exact, Carla.
Is that a nickel or
Well,
a
Felipe's
quarter?
there. I
For
can't.
the love of
Not a
humanity.
good. Keep smiling. You gotta keep smiling.
She is old. Okay, is that it?
I think that's it.
I almost got it. Hang on. Hang on.
Have a good day. Okay,
Hang on.
well, let me tell her about this while we're getting this food. Okay.
I'm trying to get it lined up right. Smile.
Oh, we're good. You ready to roll?
Come on.
Okay, y'all have a good day. Did I tell you I have 2 cats?
Oh, good.
Okay.
Mom, he's freaking out.
Smile.
I am smiling.
I almost got it. I almost got it. 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh, no, it's not quite right. Keep smiling. Come on. The dog does not need to smile. Felipe, are you going to smile?
Hurry, Mom.
That's impressive. Look at that.
I almost got it.
Whoa. Good grief. I don't know that much about taxidermy. That is one proud
Got it?
sheep right
Are
there.
you smiling?
But I know good work when I see it.
Does it look like I'm smiling?
That's it right
Mom!
there. It's pretty darn like
Mom, take it.